Alright? Alright.
Chrissy was into the car. Fast period.
Alright, I'm starting up again.
Whoa. What was that?
It was one of the It's the small one. It's the only one we get. The light grey knob on it.
I'm still waiting for Jack. Look out, Jack.
You're getting a helping unit.
Jack, look out. Whoa. Oh no, look out. Oh.
It's not.
It's coupled back on. There you are. Oh, sorry.
That's $5 fine, Jack.
Oh, no. Sorry.
What did Jack do?
Things happen, Keith. I'm $5 fine. Oh, no.
Moving.
Things happen. Well, Keith, things happen. Yeah, Keith, that's what happens.
We're good.
Unfortunately, Cameron was not here to see it. Well, unfortunately, Cameron was not here to see it.
That's the clue. You go faster, it makes it across the bridge.
Uh-oh.
That was the whole thing. Auxiliary is shorting. Following on.
And Jack is going really slow.
Just to annoy everybody else who's been running.
You're going really slow, Jack.
I don't know how the two sections are.
Alright, let's go.
Hey, you can go a bit faster.
I'm passing the train and still going. Is that one from...
Yeah, I think that's...
Hey, Jack, faster.
No. Only a one.
Does that mean you should rock it after me now? You want to run right uphill. You got it.
You did it.
That Amtrak car is so close.
Yeah.
On a Pennsylvania train.
Wait. Whoa, Jack, look out. He stopped in front of you. Don't run into him. Oh, no.
Auxiliary is shorting. Following on.
And Jack is going really slow.
Just to annoy everybody else who's been running.
You're going really slow, Jack.
I don't know how the two sections are.
Alright, let's go.
Hey, you can go a bit faster.
I'm passing the train and still going. Is that one from...
Yeah, I think that's...
Hey, Jack, faster.
No. Only a one.
What mean you should rock it after me, huh? You are struggling uphill. You got it.
It did it.
That Amtrak car is so close.
Yeah.
On a Pennsylvania train.
Wait. Whoa, Jack, look out. He stopped in front of you. Don't run into him. Oh, no.
Okay, it says the one that's short. It says BX Power.
Got short on the red line.
What?
Yeah. On both sides of the red line now. Both sides of the red line are shorted. Oh. And then of course one train is bridging the gap. So let's figure that out.
The east side is the where the short is.
So the short's up there. Carl, it's your train.
Yeah, blame it on the Pacific Train Express.
The what? The what, Jack?
Blame it on the PFE guy.
What did you say before that?
The PFE guy with the Broadway Limited locomotives.
What did you say before all that?
He was off the track.
Jack, what did you just say before that?
What, PFE?
The Express, whatever?
Pacific Fruit Express.
Oh.
You don't know PFE. You should have seen it everywhere by now.
So that auxiliary cleared itself. What happened?
Everybody else will do it.
See, this is where we
Come here, Patrick.
clearly.
What's going on?
PFE, Pacific Fruit Express. You not know?
Oh, there it is.
Yeah,
I
see?
see it. Those are nice.
So whenever somebody says PFE, they're referring to the Pacific Fruit Express. And what are you doing? You are evil. You want to stop the BNSF caboose on the end of that?
I don't know. Why is the train stuck up there? What? What? The what?
It was just labeled.
What?
The thing is
Well, this one's Harrison.
this one's AX2.
Top of the bin.
Oh!
Derail. What happened?
Oh, it's wheel slipping.
I heard a real sharp metal sound.
Alright.
What happened?
I don't know.
Let me see.
Someone took this and used it,
Wheel slipping.
Then put it down.
and then just left it randomly somewhere.
A locomotive.
Spent all that effort making these. It's just ridiculous.
The tender's off the tracks. The tender's derailed. Jack, your tenders are derailed.
Yes, I know, I know.
It's like if any scientist that says, you know,
It's wheels right there. Try again. Hey, I did it.
Alright, Patrick, what's else? Come on, Patrick, get round.
I'm coming, and Keith.
Okay.
There's another UP engine up the other end that was just left lying around.
There you go.
Why are you still moving? Stop.
Keith.
We're not moving.
Yeah. And can you make it up there? Ah! Keith, you lost a coupling.
I'm not the same one. Shonk.
Yeah.
Shonk.
Light gray, black weathering.
There you go. It's working. You stop potato night cycles. You're fine.
Nice.
Whoa.
You know, I might pick myself.
I gave you the caboose.
Putting stuff on my tray.
Sorry, the Union Pacific locomotive is in the front.
Excellent.
There's a locomotive.